Hey, Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. I'm thankful for good Samaritans. I got stuck in a ditch yesterday in my Amazon van, and there was an abandoned house across the street. I was backing up out of the driveway of the abandoned house, and the house directly across the street had a ditch in the front. And so the tires started spinning in the mud. And so I was like, okay, I need to get out of here. So the abandoned house had some cardboard in front. I put the cardboard underneath the tires. Uh, After maybe about 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes or so, one of the neighbors came out. Because first her dog was barking. And then she said, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "No." She was like, "Oh, I have more cardboard in the house. I'll see if my husband will come." Her husband didn't come back, but she did. She bought more cardboard. And so um, she helped me. She helped readjust the cardboard. And she was like, "Well, try to go backwards." And I felt the van, like I kept going backward or forward, in reverse and drive. And I felt the van shift. So once it shifted, I was able to reverse, and I drove all up on somebody's yard, and I had to back because I couldn't go forward onto the back onto the street, so I had to back up to the house behind me into their driveway, and then go out the other way onto the other street. So again, thankful for Good Samaritan. Sorry this video is grainy, but again, there are some good people in the world. That's all. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.